Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we have a very special dish. This is one of our viewers' personal favorites and a home recipe.
Awesome.
That is pretty special, huh?
Very.
Yeah, the dish that we're going to be making is a Maah Chole ki dal, and the request and the recipe comes from Adheesh Sharma. So thank you so much, Adheesh.
Thank you. We hope we do it well.
It's an honor to make this dish for you.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make the Maah Chole ki dal. First, we have the star of the show. We have a split chickpea, 1 cup, and this has been soaked for an hour and rinsed really well. And its co-star is a urad dal, and this has also been soaked for an hour and rinsed really well. Those are the two main ingredients, and then we have a 1/2 cup of rajma, 1 onion that's been chopped really well, 1/2 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 5 cloves of garlic that have been pounded into a paste, and 1/2 inch of ginger that has also been pounded into a paste. So that's it for the ingredients. Let's go ahead and let's get started making it. Okay, we're gonna put the lentils into the pressure cooker, or in this case the split chickpeas. And I think during the ingredients introduction I failed to mention that the rajma has also been soaked overnight and rinsed really well. Okay, so we have the lentils and the rajma in the pressure cooker, and we'll let those cook for 18 minutes. Okay, so sorry Adheesh, I'm gonna have to apologize. I skipped one ingredient. Actually, I didn't have it, so I'm gonna have to improvise and make it. So the Adheesh's recipe called for mustard oil. So what I have is little over a tablespoon of coconut oil and a teaspoon of mustard seeds that I put in the mortar and ground about halfway. So I'm going to attempt to make my own mustard oil. My apologies. So we'll heat up the coconut oil real quick and then we'll add the mustard seed to it. I think this is going to work. Okay, I have my improvised mustard oil made. Now we're going to go ahead and continue on with the rest of the tadka. First we will add the diced onion. And to the diced onion we'll add the hing. We'll let the onions cook for a couple of minutes until they soften up. Onions are looking good. We'll go ahead and add the ginger and the garlic now. go ahead and get this all cooked down for another minute or two. Next, we'll add the turmeric. And we'll let this cook for another minute or two. Once this is finished cooking, we're done with the tadka. Okay, the dal and the chole have been boiling for about 15 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and add the tadka. Okay, we have the tadka in. Now we'll add the Garam Masala. I've turned the heat down to medium-low and we'll let this boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, as per Adheesh's instructions, the final touch is to go ahead and give it a light drizzle of ghee. Well, how does that look?
It looks good, and the presentation is really good.
Stepping up the game?
A little bit.
You ready to try it?
I am.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, Adheesh, we're ready to put it to the test.
Yes, we are.
I hope we did you proud.
I hope so.
I tried my best.
You always do. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, very subtle, huh?
Oh my goodness. It's wonderful.
Very subtle.
It's wonderful.
You got a Mumzies happy dance out of it, Adheesh. Wow, I really like it.
It's really good.
It has flavor, but it's not like just in your face like the
No.
other dishes that we've been making.
And it's so mild. It's wonderful.
Yeah, this is definitely another comfort food.
Yep, another fall winter staple.
Can definitely understand how this is your personal favorite.
Yes, it is delicious.
Very good for a first
It is really good.
personal recipe sent to us.
It is really good.
I still can't believe that. That's pretty awesome.
I know, it is. It really, truly is fun to interact with everybody.
Yeah, I mean, our intent for this channel was to make it fun and interact with everybody, but I would have never have guessed that people would be sending us their personal recipes to make.
I know. It's awesome.
But then again, I never even thought that we'd be cooking on the channel.
I know. This was a twist we just decided to do.
Yeah, I mean, you asked me to cook. You didn't ask me if I could cook.
Well, you can.
Fortunately, I can cook a little bit. I
You
can
can.
follow recipes.
Yes, you can cook, definitely.
But the food is just absolutely incredible.
It is. It's so
Fantastic.
fantastic.
And this is the perfect change up to the really heavy spices that we have been eating the past
Yes.
few days. This is just perfect.
It's perfect. For my palate, at least.
Yeah, I think Adheesh might know you by now.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Once again, we'd just like to say a special thank you. I mean, Adheesh,
What a treasure to be able to do this.
yeah, it was definitely our honor to do this
Yes.
for you. Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
so much. Next up, we're going to have a dish by Saurabh Das.
Okie dokie.
So stay tuned to see what that one's going to be. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time.
Bye.